Congratulations, we finally reached the fourth and final stage of the workflow, data visualization. You've done an amazing job working through Power Query, data modeling, and DAX, and now it's time to bring our data to life with interactive reports and dashboards. We'll be covering a lot of ground in this section, but you'll walk away with a professional quality dashboard to add to your portfolio. So get excited, let's dive in. All right, we've officially reached what I think is the most exciting part of the course. It's time to visualize our data. So we've done our data prep and ETL process. We've built our relational model. We've added calculations with data analysis expressions. Now it's time to bring our data to life. So this section is all about learning how to build dynamic and interactive reports. At the same time, we're also going to talk about some data visualization best practices and explore some really powerful tools like bookmarks, drill-through filters, parameters, tooltips, and much, much more. So some of the topics we're going to be covering here, again, we're going to start with those best practices so that we're not just aimlessly throwing charts and graphs on the report canvas. We'll cover some key questions you should be asking yourself to choose effective visuals and walk through our dashboard design framework as well. From there, we're going to talk about some basic formatting and filtering options. We'll review bookmarks and page navigation tools, dig into report interactions, talk about user roles and row-level security, get into field and value parameters to make our reports even more interactive, and then wrap up with some really cool custom tooltip demos and a review of mobile layouts. So our goals here, we want to review frameworks and best practices for data viz for designing effective reports and dashboards. We want to explore Power BI's tools and techniques for inserting, formatting, and filtering visuals in the report view. We're going to practice adding interactivity using tools like bookmarks, slicer panels, parameters, tooltips, and report navigation tools. We'll learn how to configure row-level security with user roles. And finally, we'll practice optimizing our reports for mobile viewing using custom layouts. So we've got a lot of great stuff to cover in this section. Let's go ahead and get started.